All right, my son had a camper given to him for free. Needs a little bit of work. They gutted it out themselves, not us. But these rafters are giving way. And as you can see, I'll get down here where we show them. They're just made out of this cheap little, looks like it's, I don't know, wafer board almost cut into these little rafters. So what we have done is we've cut a 2x4 to replace the ones that are rotten. We just have to cut out this wooden vent pipe, which we're not going to use anyways, so we can push the ceiling back up and put the new rafters in. So this RV or camper conversion videos are to come. So if you're interested, just took a normal 2x4 and cut them into rafters.
On the water leak. Well, that's interesting.
I think you actually, I wonder if you actually punctured the roof.
I don't know.
But what? Zero screws though.
Yeah.
Huh. Always something unexpected when you're doing these projects. But yeah, it is definitely unexpected. I think water was sitting in the divot and roof, he accidentally punctured it by accident.
Possibly.
If you saw the last video, you saw how my son got his free RV pull behind camper, how all these are rotting out. You can see this one left, you got to finish taking apart. But we said how we were making these new rafters out of 2x4s. You can see how we got them up in here now to replace the old ones. You see, the old ones are made out of like wafer board, it looks like almost, or something. Maybe plywood, something crappy. You can see how we got 6 of them in so far. It's a dirty, nasty, mouse poop infected job, but I think it's coming pretty good.
Yep.
Of course, tip to everybody, if you're going to be doing this, in this baggie, you will see your best friend, Mr. Respirator. Until the next video, peace out.